Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening File Explorer with Win+E and navigating to C, /users/your name. Once there, you're already in the right folder context, so make the next move, reveal hidden items. You'll use the View menu or the Show/Hide toggle to expose Appdata. This is faster than changing system settings. It's the first actionable step. Once done, you'll be able to see the Appdata folder appear under your user profile and proceed to deeper visibility controls. Next, make sure you reveal both hidden and protected files. Open the View ribbon, check Hidden Items to show .folders and Appdata. Then open Folder Options, switch to the View tab, and uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files. Confirm the warning only if you understand the risk. You're doing this because some Appdata is marked protected to prevent accidental deletion, so exposing it lets you access configuration and cache folders. Once done, Appdata is local, roaming, and local low folder. Now access Appdata and browse local, roaming, and local low to find application-specific data. You can right-click Appdata and pin to quick access or create a desktop shortcut for faster returns. This saves time and reduces repeated setting changes. If you prefer a direct jump, press Win+R and enter %Appdata% for roaming. If Appdata still won't show, check NTFS permissions on your user profile or run File Explorer as an administrator. That single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.